So good morning children. We are going to do the 4th standard, second language, English continuation, the clock of life. I hope children you have memorized the poem, the clock of life. That is the first thing that you have to do. The next thing we will be going to page number 2. But before I can take you to the lesson, I want to give you another reminder, once again remind you that you are supposed to have your English reader along with your pencil whenever you are attending the second language English class. So take out your books. Are you ready? Let's begin from page number 2. Page number 2 from your reader, the clock of life. New words that you have learnt. Wind. If in bracket, if it says we stands for verb. So you call this, you read this as wind. Make a clock work by turning a key or handle. Toil. Toil means work. Resto. Resto means repair or bring back. Let's go to the next one. It says speak or read aloud. Watch this children, whenever there's a slash, it means or. So you say speak or read aloud. The A part. Teacher will say these words. Listen and repeat. Teacher will say the words. You have to listen and repeat. Pay attention and say after. Now watch this first. In the bracket, if it says N, it means noun. In the bracket, if it says we, it says verb, it means verb. Now in my previous class, I have already taught you what's a noun. A noun is a naming word. Okay, let me teach you what's a verb. I'll just give you one name. Verb means action words. Any word that does work is an action word. It is called as a verb. Okay children, I will give a clear explanation of it in the next class. Now, since it's N, it's wound. How do you pronounce it? As wound. This is a verb, same spelling, but you pronounce it as wound. Okay, the spelling is the same, but the meanings are different. Wound means when you get hurt, you have a wound. Wound is turning or making something work. That is wound. Next one, early, more, clock, power, lose, own, toil, resto. Now this portion and this portion, I want you to take your exercise book or your notebook and write it down as it is and read it clearly and write it legibly and neatly in your notebook. Okay. Now let's go to B part. It says, read the following sentences. Below mentioned sentences. Say whether they are true or false by ticking yes or no. Now he says there are sentences below. We should read it, understand, then say whether the sentence is yes or no, whether it's true or false, and write the answer. Then give a short answer for each one of them. Once you come to know whether it's true or false, say yes it is or no it is not. One is done for you. One example is given. Let's see. The first one. Man has the power to stop the clock of life. Okay. Here it says man has the power to stop the clock of life. What does the clock of life show? The clock of life shows time. Time is precious and we do not have the power to stop time. Time keeps flying. Time keeps moving. None of us has the power to stop time. We have learnt it in the clock of life. So your answer is in the bracket whether it's yes or no. Does man have the power to stop time? Whether it's yes or no. So your answer is no. So here it is. He is given two options. Yes, he has. No, he has not. Means man has no. Man does not have the power to stop time. This is the correct answer. Let's do the second one. To lose one's wealth is sad indeed. I've done the second one also so that you will be able to understand. Here you see in bracket yes or no. If man loses wealth, he feels sad. Is it yes or no? Yes, it is. He feels sad. So your answer is yes, it is. Now students, I want you to do the third and the fourth one. You read it, you understand and you answer it. Okay? I'll read it once for you. We all give importance to health. So bracket here, then you do it. Yes we do, no we don't. We should live, love and toil with a will. Yes or no? Your answer is yes we should or no we should not. So you have to think the third and fourth and tick it and answer it. Okay children? Now, the next part shows us read, speak and write. Children listen, there are 4 steps when you want to learn language. First is listen, then is speak, then it's read and then it's write. Okay? These are the 4 steps you need to follow if you need to learn a language. So here it says, see, when you've heard the poem, say the clock of life, you have heard the poem, what did you do? You heard the teacher say and then you repeated. You listened and then you said the poem and now you're going to read the poem and next you're going to write. Okay children, these are the basic steps. Now let's go to part A. In page number 3, fill in the blanks correctly choosing the words from the stars. Now it says below mentioned, below are some words in the stars given. Now let's read the words and then fill in the blanks that are shown. Sad, time, late, early, happy. Now these blanks are from your poem The Clock of Life. The clock stops dash or dash. Losing wealth is dash, but losing health is sadder still. The loss of dash cannot be restored. Okay children, you have to answer it very, very neatly. Now let's go to page number 4. Page number 4 from your textbook. Now, a picture of a house is given. Write the names of the household articles in the right column. Okay, now bring it down. Yes, you see there are some words in this picture. Okay, some of the pictures that are in the words, that are some of the articles that are in the picture are shown here and the spellings or the word is here. Now there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 columns here. Bring it near, ma. Okay. There are 5 columns. Living room, kitchen, bedroom, bathroom and dining hall. Now the above pictures show the articles that are there in our house, commonly that we are using. Now the above picture shows a picture of the living room or a picture of a house. In the house, what are the household articles that we use? Now let's come to step by step. It's a picture of a chair, sofa, TV, telephone, dining table, clock, pillow, bed, mat, cot, gas stove, cooker, curtain, glass, spoons, tub or a bucket, tap, shower and a bowl. Now we have to place these pictures. The names are mentioned below. We have to place them in the right column. I'll do the first one for you. Let's take the word chair. C-H-A-I-R, chair. Chair, we have it in our living room. C-H-A-I-R, chair. Remember children, all these names are common nouns. They must and should be written in small letters only. It is not a proper noun. Okay? So chair. Next one, spoons. S-P-O-O-N-S, spoons. Now where do you find spoons? Okay, spoons you find in a kitchen. S-P-O-O-N-S, spoons. Okay, I'll do just this column. The next columns you have to do. Pillow. P-I-L-L-O-W. Where do you find pillow? Pillow will be in the bedroom. P-I-L-L-O-W. Pillow. Okay. Shower. S-H-O-W-E-R. This is a shower. Okay. So shower is there in the bathroom. S-H-O-W-E-R. You watch children how I wrote. Now the second, third, fourth and fifth column. You read it and then you fill it. I'll read it for you. Curtain, stove, alarm clock, sofa, bucket, tap, cooker, table, telephone, dining table, glass, bed, television, bowl. Okay. Now if you want to know what does it mean, see the pictures. What's a bucket, what's a dining table, what's a television, what's a bowl. This is a bowl. Understood children? So now you complete page number 4 very neatly. Okay. Do the homework and keep it. I'll tell you what to be done at the end of the lesson. Page number 5, I've completely answered it. I want you to copy it neatly and then read it fluently. That's your homework, okay? So let's go to page number 5. Page number 5. C, part C. Fill in the blanks using the clues given in bracket. Okay? They are giving clues, means something, a hint. Something they are saying which you can get your answer. Okay? A hint. Cooking, washing, grinding, sweeping, eating. Okay children, watch again. Cooking, washing, grinding, sweeping, eating. If you see all these words, these are all verbs, action words that shows work. Okay, I will be teaching you, then you will understand much more clearly. Okay, now object, question and answer. The object is a plate. You are asking a question. What's a plate for? And then you get the answer. It's for eating. Now this is because of dialogue, children. It is for you to converse. You ask questions, you get answers. You ask questions, you get answers. This is for you to practice so that you will know how to ask questions, and if somebody asks you a question, also how you can answer. Right children? Okay, let's go to plate. What's a plate for? It's for eating. Broom. What's a broom for? It's for sweeping. Cooker. What's a cooker for? It's for cooking. Mixer. What's a mixer for? It's for grinding. Wash basin. What's a wash basin for? It's for washing. Here are the hint. And then there were brackets. I have filled the bracket and also I have given the answers. Your work is to ask questions and you yourself try to answer it, so that next time you will know how to ask questions and what type of answer you should also say. Okay children, now I want you to practice this. Next one, listen and say aloud. Listen, okay, pay attention. Say aloud. Say it loudly. Speak it loudly. Teacher says these words aloud. Repeat after her or him. Okay. Now these words I need you to tell so that you will learn the pronunciation. Fill, feel, slip, sleep, fit, feed, dip, deep, bit, beat, will, wheel, pull, pool, ship, sheep, full, fool. Children, you know why they have given this? Actually, the pronunciation is the same, but the spelling and meaning of each one differs. To show that they have given this word, this part also I will explain to you in the next class. Okay, children? Let's go to this. But I want you to learn the spellings and I want you to even learn to pronounce it. Okay? Once again, I'll try it with you. Fill, feel, slip, sleep, fit, feed, dip, deep, bit, beat, will, wheel, pull, pool, ship, sheep, full, fool. Okay, children. Now let's go to the next one. I. Identify the pictures and say their names aloud. Now here are the pictures. I've also named it so that it will become much more easy for you. Dough, tub, spoons, fan, bed, needle, stool and sheep. Now I want you to watch these words very clearly, children. Here you have already learned what is a vowel in your previous standard. A, E, I, O and U are vowels. Now in vowels we are going to learn what is a short vowel and what is a long vowel. For example, let me take you to this word door. D-O-O-R, door. Okay. Now when you say D-O-O-R, door, here there are two O-O, which means this is a vowel, this is a vowel. So when there are two vowels, we call it the same vowel, we call it as a long vowel. Okay. And here see, look at this word. T-U-B, tub. Now U is a vowel, but it is only one. So we say short vowel, tub. Okay. Come to this word, spoons. S-P-O-O-N-S, spoons. Okay. Now O-O is two vowels together. So we say long vowels. Okay, let me come to this one. N-E-E-D-L-E, needle. Here you find two vowels, E vowels. Okay, so it's two vowels. These are long vowels. Now, if you turn to page number 6, okay, here you find room, tree, broom, shoe. Okay. Here what you must do is, it says, now identify the words with short vowel and words with long vowel and put them in the two boxes provided. Okay. So look children, if we go to page number 5, the words are written, and also in page number 6, the words are written, the spellings are written. Now what you do is first underline the vowels. Okay. Once you underline the vowels, I want you to take a pen or a pencil, turn with me to page number 5, and if you find two long vowels, circle that word. Okay. If it's a short vowel, tick the word. Again I am telling you, if you find long vowel, circle the word. If you find a short vowel, tick the word. Put a tick. So now the balance of it you have to name. Say whether it's a short vowel or a long vowel. Remember, long vowel, circle the word. Short vowel, tick the word. Okay. Once that is done, here they are saying short vowel, long vowel. All the words that you got, please place it. If it's a short vowel, for example, let me say tub. T-U-B, tub is a short vowel. Here let me say one more word. Let's say broom. B-R-O-O-M, broom, long vowel. The balance of it, you complete it. Okay, children? Only when you do the work, you will be able to understand whether you followed the lesson or not. The next one says, pick one suitable word from the bracket and fill in the blanks. This is very important. Mother warned Sham not to sit on the driver's seat. Sit and seat is different. Sit is to sit down. Seat is the seat in which we sit. I saw a huge ship with a flock of sheep. Now, in nouns, when I taught you children, I taught you about proper noun, common noun and collective noun. Look at this once again. I saw a huge ship with a flock of sheep sailing to Sri Lanka. Okay. Here ship and sheep. I saw a huge ship. The answer is ship. With the flock. Now I said in a collective noun, sheep is, many sheep are together. So we call it as a flock of sheep. You understood children? This is a collective noun. Ship is a common noun. Sheep is a common noun. Sailing to which place? Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka is also a name, but it's a proper noun. Watch this. Sri Lanka is a name of a place. It is in capital letter. Ship is a common noun, small letter. Sheep is common noun, small letter. Flock is a collective noun because it says a group. So, did you understand? I hope now you will understand the lesson about nouns. Okay? The third one. A fool feels that this world is full of fools. Okay? Fool and full. Fool is a person who has no brain. Full is something that is up to the brim, which is not empty. Grandma broke her hips when she fell down on the heap of stones. Okay? Heap, again look at this. Heap is a collective noun. Okay children? Because it's a group, it's a plenty of stones put together. It's heap of stones. So grandma steps on the heap of stones and she slips and falls and breaks her hip. Grandma is a common noun, but it's a beginning of a sentence. So it should be in a capital letter. Stones is a common noun. Hip is a common noun. So it is in small letter. Remember children, you begin a sentence with a capital letter, you end it with a full stop. Heap, it's a collective noun. Flock, collective noun. Buy shoes that fit your feet. Fit andre correct size. Feet means the portion that is in your leg, your feet. Okay children? Now, I want you to read this very clearly, understand and be prepared for page number 7, which we will go for the cup of tea. I will teach you in the next class with a rhyme, a cup and saucer. Okay children? All the best. 1 minute. Before I can conclude, all that I want you to do is write all this very neatly. The first page number 2, the first and the second part, I want you to write in your CW book or in your notebook, and balance of it from page number 2, 3, 4, 5 and page number 6. Write it down neatly in your textbook. Please take a photocopy and send it on the 4th standard assignment group. Okay children? If you have any doubt, please contact me on the WhatsApp number. Okay children? Thank you so much. Have a good day. See you in the next class.